Hello morning viewers from Canberra and welcome to the channel, our foodie channel. We are in Canberra today and we are going to cover this extraordinary market, Old Bus Depot Market. I was reading on the internet that they have this market in Canberra, very iconic market, since 1994. So it's over 30 years they have been running this market. It is a foodie market, it is a handicraft and arty market. So this is one of our market vlog that we're creating across Australia. So come and join us and enjoy this extraordinary market video today in Canberra. So there are a lot of barbecue going on at the moment. Fresh barbecue. I think they have already started from early morning and that smells just wonderful.
Good morning.
Morning. So this is a big box barbecue and there will be a lot of other eating options. Probably we're not going to eat anything here today, but we're going to walk around this beautiful market, Old Bus Depot Market here today in Canberra. They have been running this market since 1994 and see it's over 30 years and it's been a fantastic, a big icon in Canberra, probably the most known, well-known market in Canberra. So we have been very lucky to visit a lot of markets across Australia, but Canberra, the Australian Capital Territory, was the only state or territory in Australia that we never visited before. So it's a fantastic opportunity today. Weather is just gorgeous. So we'll walk around the market and hopefully it will be a very nice short market vlog for you guys. So let's start the journey, and so this is a chocolate shop that welcoming us, and there are a lot of arty items on offer here that you can buy. Beautiful jewellery shops here as well. A lot of jewellery shops actually, handmade jewellery. And in the middle we have little orchid shop selling orchids, 10 pots for $20, so it's a $2 a pot. And so this is a painter's shop and gallery, someone drawing and painting beautiful paintings and selling here. Florist, yeah, so always market like this have florists and they're very nice. I'm amazed with the structure you see. I mean, this old Bus Depot has been converted into market, but keeping the original structure is always very unique. That makes the authenticity predominant and very nicely represented the history. Ah, okay, so I think it's like hand-baked pastry shops and looks rather delicious. Oh, there are dogs as well. So it has got a very similar vibe to the Carriage Box Farmers Market, but it is much smaller scale. And here we have got some handicraft kind of gifts items shop. Someone is selling beautiful hats. They're really very unorthodox way of decorations, and these are chickens or roosters. Oh, so a rooster on a hat. So just to walk to the other side, it is quite spread across different segments. This is the food area, Jordanian cuisine and a few other eating places here. We are not having any breakfast at the moment, so we'll just walk around and cover the market rather. Look at this structure in my background. I'm actually really impressed and very nostalgic about this structure. So much history there. Old Bus Depot. It could have been very smoky, noisy at time because it was a garage, and now it's a very nice looking market. And we are very glad that we had this opportunity to come and visit this market because we only had one Sunday every Sunday they have this market here from 9:30 to 2:30, and so we are enjoying this little bit of walk around to this market and this historic iconic market in Canberra, because if we had a different date that we were arriving, we could have missed it. So let's enjoy this. So this is another segment. It's a huge old bus garage and depot. Imagine so many buses used to be parked here and maintained, and so I'm more fascinated with the history of this place. And there are a lot more jewelry shop and plant and gift items. It's almost like a mixture of Sydney's Carriage Walks Farmers Market and St Kilda Esplanade Market in Melbourne. Beautiful looking glass works. Very nice. It has got a different vibe. We're glad that at least once we visited this old bus depot market. Handmade gift items and decorating items. It's beautiful scarf and jumper shop. So this section is mostly handmade gift items and paintings and jewelries or decorative items. Look at these Aboriginal artworks. This is quite unique. This is really nice, and this particular shop is selling all these wall hangings and paintings based on Aboriginal artwork, which is a very traditional Australian Aboriginal art form, dot paintings. And this is a little gallery, art gallery. Looks very nice. A lot of paintings and photographs, really well decorated, very nicely presented market shop. And look at this Canberra picture. This is the capital of Australia in Canberra. That's the Capitol Hill. Very spacious and quite a lot of shops. I was reading that they have over 200 shops here in this market. So it was a very nice experience. And so there are more art and craft shops here, and I'll just go to this side to take a look at the market from the top, so we'll get a different view. This is the market, and upstairs there is another section. Like Carriage Walks Farmers Market, we have a lot of dogs. Let's visit this side. They are selling a lot of olives here, and all the farmers market and market like Carriage Walks Farmers Market and Farmgate Market in Hobart, you always get a lot of olives and antipasties. These guys are selling some bagels, and I rather like this bagel sculpture. Somebody is selling dumplings, and some guys are selling some fresh pastries. Beautiful. From this bakery, Italian bakery, we're buying a pistachio and amaretto slice, a tart slice, and that's looking really delicious. So we just bought one pistachio and amaretto from that Italian bakery shop, and I'll try this. And this pistachio looks really nice. Pistachio tart. Italian bakery, we are fascinated with Italian bakeries because of our recent visit to Brunetti Oro in Melbourne. Let's try this. Very nice. Pastry is very buttery and a little bit hard. And pistachio filling is really nice. Strong flavor of pistachio there, so really enjoying it. And in the center we have these farmers selling vegetables, eggs, and few other grocery items, and they have packed it nicely, so you can just grab one of these packets and that will give you a great value. Fruit and veggie bags, $20. This is a very unique experience, because you see these bags are looking very nice, ready to be taken, and then you start cooking. Great idea. And so you can just grab one of these bags. The eggs looking fresh, and a little bit of fruits, in the front. So we just bought one small pack of baklavas, freshly made baklavas from this store, and that's looking rather interesting and very attractive. They're selling different shapes of package of baklavas. So there is a nice little bakery shop, and we are buying two items. One jalapeno bagel with cheese and one cinnamon bun. So these are the jalapeno bagels that we are buying.
Have one jalapeno.
So what does it call, that one?
Escargot.
Escado, okay. The pastries are looking rather nice, and we have a very nice customer as well, tempted for the fresh pastries. They're saying that this market is celebrating 25 years. I guess I was reading that first time this market was started in September 1994. So that makes 30 years. Maybe in this particular location they are doing it for last 25 years. So that would be the reason, I guess. In 1998, I guess they moved to this location. So overall, at this old bus depot market, they have over 200 stalls, and they are proudly running over 30 years here. Icon of Canberra, and we have fascinating market in Hobart Salamanca Market. Nothing compared to that, but we always enjoy visiting different markets in different cities, especially in Australian cities. And look at this, once again, this structure. And this atmosphere is so historic, so nostalgic. I just loved it here. Thank you very much for watching our market vlogs. Goodbye until the next video.